Hello dear student, hope you are doing all right. Today in Unit 1, Lesson 2, we are going to talk about making suggestion. How can we make a suggestion for someone? Making suggestion. The purpose of making suggestion to consolidate and revise a variety of ways of making suggestion. We also depend on the following instruction to make suggestion. The structure is let's and then we have base. It means infinitive without to. And the second way, what about it, and then we have verb ing form. It means ing form, we have the verb with ing. And then what about it can be followed by a noun phrase. And be careful, at the end we have question mark. And why not followed by base. It means takes an infinitive without to. And I suggest, you or we, and then we have base. It means infinitive without to. These are the most common ways for making suggestion. We have examples. Let's protect our environment or environment. After let's, we have protected, which is the base form of the verb. We cannot say protecting or protected or protects. We have to say protected. And what about going to school? As you know, after what about it, we have to use the verb in ing form. It means the verb with ing. We say, what about going to school? We cannot say go or went or guys. We have to say going. What about going to school? And at the end, be careful, we have question mark. What about a cup of coffee? This is the noun phrase that can follow by what about it? What about a cup of coffee? A cup of coffee is a noun phrase, and at the end we have a question mark. Why not visit your cousin? After why not, we use the verb in the base form. Visit is the base form of the verb. We cannot say visiting, visited, or visited. I suggest you see a dentist. I suggest you see a dentist. Also with suggest, we use the base form of the verb, which is see. We cannot say seeing, sees, or saw, or seen. We have to say see. We have a note here. We use what about it with those verbs which take ing form, like go, going, cleaning, helping, reading, watching, seeing, and lying, and drying, etc. But these verbs, sing or bring, are different because ing refers to its own words. Agree with a suggestion. To agree or accept a suggestion, we depend on these expressions. We can say good, or great, or fantastic idea. Look at this example. I suggest you do some work on the project. You can agree with this suggestion and you can say fantastic idea, or great, or good. The second example, what about drinking a cup of coffee? After what about it, we have ing form, which is drinking, and you can agree with this suggestion. You can say great or fantastic idea. And also we have disagree with a suggestion. It means you can reject or refuse the suggestion. To disagree or refuse a suggestion, we use these expressions. I'm not sure, maybe not, or no, I don't think so. Look at this example. What do you say if you refuse a suggestion? We say, I'm not sure, maybe not, or no, I don't think so. The second example, what about seeing my friend Nasrin? You refuse this suggestion and you can say I'm not sure, or you can say maybe not. The summary, an idea or plan that you mention for someone else to think about. This is making suggestion or suggestion. You have these 5 common ways for making suggestion. Let's plus base. It means let's followed by the base form of the verb. What about it? After what about, we have the verb with the ing form or in ing form. What can be followed by a noun phrase, but be careful, we have at the end we have question mark. Why not plus base? It means why not followed by the base form of the verb. I mean infinitive without to. And the last one, I suggest you or we plus base. It means we use the base form of the verb. That's all. Thanks for your listening.